Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the copyright group in the Timesavers 3 tab of the Timesavers add-in. So the copyright group allows you to quickly and easily add your copyright information to all the slides in your presentation. So what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to click on the Add Copyright button, and it brings up this window that you are then able to fill in your copyright information. So I would fill in my information. I don't need to put in the copyright symbol because it will automatically be added in front of whatever you fill in. So you click on OK, and then it automatically gets added to every slide in your presentation. So once you've done that, I've now added a new feature that allows you to then change the positioning, change the formatting of your copyright information on every slide very quickly and easily. So what you can do is any slide that you are on, you can take the copyright and you can move it. So if I want it to be in the middle, if I want it to be centered, I can do that. I can change the formatting, so I can make it that font maybe, or I can make it a little bit bigger if I want to, or a little bit smaller. You can do whatever you want to. And once you've finished formatting it the way you want it, you can then go back to the Timesavers 3 tab and click on the Update Copyright button. And that will make the copyright on every slide change to be the same as the one that you had on the slide that you were on at the time that you clicked on that button. So that is how you can quickly and easily change the copyright positioning and size and font and anything that you want to on all the slides. Then if you are going to add your copyright to a new presentation the next time, so if I'm going to go and open a new presentation, let me just do that, and then I'm going to quickly add, just delete that, and then I'm going to go and add a whole lot of slides quickly. So now if I want to go and add my copyright to a new presentation, when I click on the Add Copyright button, you'll see that my copyright information that I filled in the previous time is automatically filled in the next time that I use it. So I don't have to type it in every single time. I can make changes if I want to. So if I wanted to put in the year, then I can do that, and then the next time I do it, the next time I use it, so let me go and delete that quickly. And the next time I use it, the latest version that I've filled in is what shows up over here. And so I can just click on OK and it automatically gets used over there. So then you don't have to fill in your copyright information every single time. It does get saved, and you can then just click OK and it will automatically fill in your copyright information the same as you used the previous time, but you can make changes if you would like to. Okay, I hope that has been helpful, and I hope that you'll have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.